Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 10th of September. I'm James Spann. Hot weather continues for the rest of this week. A few scattered strong storms this afternoon. And could a tropical wave bring some beneficial rain to Alabama late this weekend and early next week? Let's see. We'll take a look at things. Big old upper high sitting right on top of us. That's the reason it's so hot. Got a cold trough back in the northwest United States. There's the visible satellite view. Got a field of cumulus clouds. And you can see a few of those have popped into storms on the eastern side of the state. That was the radar at 211. Had some big storms over counties like Calhoun, parts of Randolph, Cleburne, Clay, and East Alabama, Cherokee. Not moving much, drifting towards the northwest. All of those will fade away once the sun goes down later this evening. Mostly mid-90s, low and mid-90s. Birmingham 94, Tuscaloosa 92, Gadsden 91. Notice Anniston at 82 because of nearby thunderstorms. There's the watch warning map. Pretty quiet afternoon. Not much happening across the country, but in coming hours, we do expect a number of storms out across the high plains. An enhanced risk of severe weather for parts of South Dakota and Nebraska. Tomorrow, again, an enhanced risk in that same zone. And on day 3, which is Thursday, got a risk of severe storms in the broad area from near Oklahoma City back up toward Minneapolis-St. Paul. Rain for the next 7 days. The big numbers up north. And again, this is going to be a low-confidence forecast here because of the potential for a tropical wave to be involved. Numbers could go way up. They might stay the same. For now, the guys at WPC, the Weather Prediction Center, which is a NOAA facility that prepared these, they've got the amounts under 1/2 inch for the state through Tuesday morning of next week. Don't be shocked, though, if the numbers come up on the next update later this evening. So in the tropics, Gabrielle is off the board. It's post-tropical now. You got 2 waves in the lower latitudes, one just coming off the coast of Africa, one that's east of the Lesser Antilles. And again, the yellow, that means there's a low chance of any development, a tropical depression or storm over the next 5 days. And of course, the one of interest for us is the one that will be moving up into the Gulf. And again, for now, there's just a low chance of any development over the next 5 days, but anytime you get a wave in the Gulf in mid-September, you better watch. Let's take a look at the GFS and see what it does with it. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. We still got ridging here, troughing in the northwest, and tomorrow, much like today, hot, maybe a few isolated storms, mid-90s. Thursday, really, chance of any one spot getting a storm is very, very small, really less than 10%. Mid-90s, and the same thing on Friday. So prospects of widespread rain are very slim for the rest of this week. But let's talk about the weekend. This is Saturday, and really, we got the wave in the Gulf. You can see the unsettled weather there, but for us, a decent chunk of the state will be dry a decent part of the day, most likely. The high will be around 90, and then Sunday, you can see the wave moving inland from the Gulf, and rain will be spreading northward. And of course, again, it is going to be a low-confidence forecast in terms of timing and placement and all of this right now. But we are going to ramp up the chance of rain on Sunday with highs dropping in the low 80s. And Monday looks pretty wet as the GFS has the tropical low just west of here. And if this is right, Monday would be a fairly wet day with periods of rain, maybe some thunder, highs low 80s. And a week from today, Tuesday the 17th, get trough in the west, ridging pumping up over Canada, and that still looks pretty moist with a tropical air mass in place. So we could use some rain around here. Keep your fingers crossed. We might pick up some beneficial rain Sunday through at least the middle of next week. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday the 20th. Trough advancing out across the Great Plains, and that looks fairly quiet for us. And we note the GFS has a tropical system east of the Bahamas, but we all know this is nothing more than voodoo at this point. This is the rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean is 1 to 1.5 inches. You got one member up to almost 3 inches. Some members with only 1/4 of an inch. So again, confidence is low in the rain forecast, but the heat levels will come down. We are now into September. And the 90s do fade away. Looks like next week highs will be mostly in the 80s around here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.